When you insert or import a model from your computer or from example, for example, human head, if you import some models, before, it's very important, before use this construction method for slicing, or I call it a slicer engine. If you activate, first you have to define your, for example, original size. I explained it before. And then you can come here and change the settings of the some presets here. This is manufacturing settings. That this is your important sheets, the sheets that you are give to the CNC or laser to cutting. It's the diameter of your dimension of your sheets. It's very important. For defining that, you have to click on this pencil here or pen here, and this manufacturing settings window will be open, and you can for example A4 sheets, you can define all of this. It's very important. You can I use this method for you, it's better. You can create your own sheets from here, unnamed. You can double click, for example, TC, and you can just settings of that here. First, I assign the unit, it's in a centimeter or any unit, millimeter, and the length and the width of your sheets. Okay, it's better. It's better because if you want to give your output to CNC or laser, the operator of that, it's giving your DXF file. I export in a DXF, and it's organized in this way, organized depending on their tools, depending on the softwares. So you do not need to change the sheets exactly like this. First, for example, if you want to look at your model, for example, my model is this size. See the size of that, and choose a bigger size for length width of that. Always, for example, if I'm in centimeter, in this situation, I select a higher number in centimeter, for example, 1 meter, 100 centimeter, call, and you can hit enter. So, or I select a 1000 number. It's not important because I want a DXF file. In my way, the length and width here is not important. Give it a higher number that you want. Give it big sheets. You can export that and you can organize it in your CNC or laser software. Always doing that. And the important part is this thickness. This is thickness of your material. This is thickness of your material. Any material, for example, your material is 1 centimeter or anything. The thickness of that defining the steps and the slice. For example, 1 centimeter is very high. For example, my heights are 20 centimeter, and each step, each slice thickness is 1 centimeter. It's a slice in exactly 20 centimeter. And the margin in a horizontal margin is not important in this method. That just we want to extract our DXF. Give a high number in a length. Don't confuse in height and length. And zero margin for this. And the cutting tool parameter are not important because we want to give it just DXF files. The DXF files is a line, and we define the slot offset and tool diameter in other software. We don't want to export directly from here because we have a different devices, different softwares. You can see, for example, this is a laser beam that we actually use the laser, and this is the diameter of the laser. Or this is the diameter of, if you give your file to CNC, to the CNC, it is your tool diameter. Simple. And the slot offset is this. That we define this slot offset. For example, this is our tools. This is a diameter of tools. And these tools want to cut this part of your piece or model. And it has an offset from the line that you define because of the diameter of the tools. This is an offset. So that's all of these are defined by the operator of the CNC or laser cut, CNC router or anything. Just select them 0. It's not very important because we define that in a another software that is connected to your device. It's very important. So make all of them 0. It's not important. I do this way a lot and with no problem because we define all of this in another software. Just we want to export the DXF's lines. So, okay, done. An important thing, you define it here and you have to choose that preset from here. Don't forget that, TC. And after that, define your engine. And as you can see, because we have a 1 centimeter thickness, we have such a distance. And as you can see, it's very nice. We have one sheet that all of our DXF is in one simple sheet here. Nice. You can directly change these settings by this. If you select that, as you can see, the width and line, and you can, for example, decrease the number of the thickness and hit enter. It's thinking, and as you can see, because our material is 1 millimeter, we have very nice detailed shape. So you learn that the better output of your model is depend on your material. If you have a thicker material, you have rougher output. But if you have a thinner thickness, lower number of thickness, as you can see, we have a nice defined shape because it can identify its curves and it. But if you have a thicker, you have not good settings, not good output for your model. So it's depend on your material. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.